Hey guys, this is Peter Mullen. Eva Erickson is probably the most relatable Survivor contestant ever, in my honest opinion. I liked her on Survivor 48 because she was on the autism spectrum, like I am. Plus, I was so proud of her for advocating for herself. Also, I loved how she found an ally with Joe and confided to him about her autism. When an overstimulating challenge came up, she was clearly struggling physically and mentally. So when she finally opened up about her autism, it made Jeff Probst, the host of the show, cry. I don't like how she got a lot of hate from Survivor fans, though, because she didn't deserve it. Overall, Eva is a great contestant who I feel deserves the love she gets. Bye.